Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix MindsEye not working or it just keeps crashing. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam. From Steam, go over to Library and then look for MindsEye. Once you find the game, right click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files, and then go ahead and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now once that is done, that should be the first solution in fixing this error code. Now the second thing you guys can do is by going over to the search bar, typing in Device Manager, making your way over to Display Adapters. From Display Adapters, right click on your GPU and hit Update Driver, and then go ahead and choose Search Automatically for drivers. Now this is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is if you have the NVIDIA app, you can go over to it directly. Go over to drivers and then go ahead and hit download if you have a new driver available to download. And if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD app, or what you can also do is manually install the driver from a browser of your choice. And yeah, now the final method you guys can try doing is by lowering your graphics settings, because it is highly possible that in-game settings are like, let's just say your PC is not able to handle the highest level settings, so highest shadow quality set to high, for example. You can go ahead and turn that down, or just turn your overall settings down, graphic settings, and then that should also fix the issue. Now once you are done with all of that, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.